One part of the interior that wears out on a lot of Figaros is the glove box latch. It breaks, goes floppy, and the door ends up opening while you're driving along. It's really frustrating. Today we're going to show you how to change it for a new lockable glove box latch. So this is the old one and here's the new one. You can see it's exactly the same, but it's just got a latch in it so you can lock it, put a key in it and turn it. Even if you're not locking it, it will rectify the fact that your glove box is falling open all the time. What happens is these little tabs here on the back on the old one just snap off, and then the glove box just spins, the latch just spins around. So let's have a look at getting this one fitted in the car, because it's pretty easy to do. So on the back of the old latch, yours might just fall out, but if it doesn't, you can just press those little tabs using a small screwdriver or a pick, and then the old lock will simply fall out. Take the new lock, look at the tabs on the back, and you can line them up to the tabs in the hole. So you want the wide tabs in the wide slots. Once it goes, you just push it in and it just clicks in place like this. It'll undo with any Figaro key, so it doesn't have to be set to your key, but you can safely lock things away in your glove box. And more importantly, when you drive down the road, it doesn't flop open. Thanks guys.